Join me as we go through 8 different Tabata moves that will work your core, arms, and legs. Let's get started. Join me as we go through 8 different Tabata moves that will work your core, arms, and legs. Let's get started. Join me as we go through 8 different Tabata moves that will work your core, arms, and legs.
Hi, I'm Ashley and I help you create healthy daily habits through clean eating and exercise. Head on over to my website for workouts and recipe ideas.
We're going to start with squat presses. Your toes are going to be front, legs slightly wider than the hips. You're going to squat down, knees over your toes. And as you twist, you're going to push the weights away from your shoulders, keeping a little distance below your head. And as you come down, bringing them right down to the shoulders, elbows out. Turn your toes the way that you are facing. That way your whole body is changing directions and you are working on keeping your balance. Let's go on to the next move. Second move, back lunge with a twist. Hang on to one weight, your heavier weight. You are going to step back onto the ball of your foot, placing your knee under your hip, twisting at your navel. Look at where you're twisting so your entire upper body is twisting with the motion and you're getting that back, building the strength, and your core is tucked in. You are holding your balance. Let's go to the next move. Third move is going to be a plank twist. You are going to start with your hands below your shoulders, your feet hip distance apart. Reach that arm up to the ceiling, not going too far back so you don't fall backwards. Option to drop your bottom knee. I want you to keep your shoulder over your wrist. Breathing, reaching that arm up, twisting again right at that navel, not letting those hips drop. Your core is pulled in. Let's go to the next move. Next, we're going to go to a tabletop fly. Now, I want you to start with your lighter weight. Now, if you don't have weights, that's fine, but start with the lighter before you go to the heavier. You're in a tabletop, knees underneath your hips, looking over your fingertips. You are taking that weight, bringing it up. I want it a little bit in front of the shoulder. That way you see it out of the corner of your eye. You are squeezing that shoulder blade as you are lifting it up, and as it comes down, control, creating resistance. Let's go to the next move. Now we are going to do a crunch with a leg lower down. You're going to bring your legs to a tabletop, crunch up, lifting your shoulder blades off the ground, looking over your toes, and then lower your legs down, tucking that pelvis so you keep that lower back down on the ground, making those lower abs work. Now you can touch your feet to the ground. If not, that's perfectly fine. Breathing out as you crunch up, breathing in as you lower down. And there's the option to always have your arms by your side. They don't need to stay behind your head. All right, let's go on to the next move. Next, we're going to go to an elbow plank hold. It is just going to be a hold because we want to work on the form. We want to create that muscle memory for when you go to more advanced planks. You're going to be on your elbows, underneath your shoulders, looking over your fingertips, breathing. Legs are hip distance apart on your toes. You want to stay forward on those toes, and you want to tuck in that core to keep that spine neutral. Let's go to the next move. Okay, for your 7th Tabata, we are just going to focus on core only. You are going to lay on your back, legs straight, hands behind your head, and you are going to crunch up to that ceiling. You are going to firmly plant those heels into the ground, tucking the pelvis, keeping that lower back down, crunching up, and controlling the movement coming back down. Let's go to the last move. For your 8th and final Tabata, we are going to hit those mountain climbers. You're going to take all the work you've done in your planks, and you're going to make it into an aerobic move, pulling that knee in, breathing becomes shorter. If you like what you've been seeing, make sure you hit subscribe. I'm going to be giving you more Tabata exercises that you can take with you to the gym, on vacation, anywhere you go. Make sure you click subscribe, and then here is your next video. Thank you so much for joining me again. These workouts are going to be on Pinterest. Now you can connect it with the movement. I will see you later. All right, bye.